How to clean grout with baking soda. Without cleaning, your grout changes from a clear white to an unappealing brown. With baking soda, you can effectively remove dirt and mold stains without having to hire a professional. To get your grout clean again, make a baking soda and water paste, apply the paste, add vinegar, and scrub. For tougher stains, such as mildew, make a paste out of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, apply it to the grout, and scrub. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to cleaning with baking soda and vinegar, and removing tough stains with hydrogen peroxide. Now let's get started. Things you'll need: baking soda, vinegar, spray bottle, water, measuring cup, grout brush or other scrub brush, small bowls, rags or paper towels. Method 1. Cleaning with baking soda and vinegar. Number 1. Mix baking soda and water into a paste. In a small bowl, combine equal amounts of baking soda and water. Stir the ingredients together until they form a paste that is easy to apply to the grout. Number 2. Apply the paste to the grout with a brush. Pick up the paste with your brush and spread it over the grout. You can apply it with the same brush you'll use to scrub the grout later. Grout brushes and other stiff bristled scrub brushes can be found at home improvement stores. If you don't have a scrub brush, a sponge with a scouring side or an old toothbrush also work well. Number 3. Mix vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle. Make sure the water is warm before you add it to the spray bottle or a bowl. Combine the water with an equal amount of vinegar. Place the mixture in a spray bottle to make applying it easier. Number 4. Spray the vinegar mixture onto the grout. Spray vinegar directly upon the baking soda. A single spray will be enough to cause the baking soda to begin to fizz. Number 5. Let the baking soda rest for 5 minutes. You'll see the vinegar reacting with the baking soda, causing a fizz. During these 5 minutes, the fizz will loosen the grime on the grout. Number 6. Scrub the grout. Use a grout brush to work the baking soda further into the grout. Alternatively, scrub with a stiff bristled brush, scouring sponge, or toothbrush. Scrubbing takes some muscle power, but the effort removes most of the grime. Look out for dark areas indicating where grime remains on the grout. Try scrubbing these areas again or clean them with hydrogen peroxide. Number 7. Wipe up the cleaner. After scrubbing, you'll be left with dirty vinegar and baking soda. Apply paper towels to pick up the mess or use old rags if you wish to save on paper. A sponge can also help you loosen any bits of grime and cleaner on the grout. Number 8. Mop the floor. Optionally, you can give your floor a shine. First, sweep or vacuum up any baking soda still left on the floor. Afterwards, mop the floor as you normally would. Grout you cannot reach by mop can be wiped clean by a rag dampened in clean water. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Removing tough stains with hydrogen peroxide. Number 1. Mix baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. In a bowl, combine 2 parts baking soda to 1 part hydrogen peroxide. Mix the ingredients together to form a paste that can be easily applied to the grout. Number 2. Apply the paste to the grout with a brush. Again, you can apply your cleaning paste with the same brush you'll use to scrub the grout later. Specialty grout brushes can be purchased at home improvement stores, but you can also use other stiff bristled scrub brushes, a sponge with a scouring side, or an old toothbrush. Number 3. Allow the paste to sit for a few minutes. Give the paste up to 5 minutes to soak into the grime. This should make scrubbing out tough stains, including mold and mildew, easier. Number 4. Scrub the grout. Use your brush to work the cleaner into the grout. You should see the stains begin to lift. Continue to scrub any stains by hand until they are removed. Number 5. Wipe up the mess. Use paper towels to pick up excess paste and any grime removed from it. Substitute in old rags if you wish to avoid wasting paper. Number 6. Mop up the floor. Optionally, mop the floor as you usually do. This will remove any dirt and paste you missed as well as give your floor a nice shine. For grout you cannot reach by mop, dampen a rag in clean water and wipe. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.